In today's video, we're featuring Amazon travel essentials for fall cruises.
These are the cruise must-haves for 2025 to include on your fall cruise packing list.
And as always, we're going to give away one of these best Amazon travel essentials.
All you have to do is watch this video, like and subscribe, and leave us a comment below.
Welcome to Gen X Cruise Life. If you were excited as a kid to go back to school with a lunchbox like this, then this is the cruise channel for you. We know as Gen Xers, the house might be thinning out a little bit right now because the kids are back to school, and it's time to book a cruise. You deserve it. Now let's get to the top 10 items for fall cruising.
So coming in at number 1 is an item that we use and we love. It's a carry-on bag that actually fits underneath your airline seat.
This is the Amazon Basics Underseat Carry On Luggage with wheels. It's 14-inch, it's rolling, it's a good travel bag with 4.5 stars and 7,700 reviews. This is well received. This item will fit underneath the seat in front of you on most airlines, but do double check just to make sure. It's soft, so if you have to smush it under there, you can do that. And the cost on this is around $53. And it comes in 3 different colors. And according to our Amazon, we could have this thing here by tomorrow.
So this holds 4 days worth of clothes. And the reason why we like this is because we like to carry on a backpack and a small suitcase when we get on board the cruise ship, because we like to change into our swimsuit and go swimming while the pools are pretty empty. And then we also want to make sure that we have something to change into for dinner that night and have some toiletries with us. And this is the perfect size for that.
Right, and the one thing that we always make sure is that we have something that we don't let out of our sight. Something that we can keep our passports in, like you said, an extra change of clothes, just in case our checked bag gets lost. That way we have all these things that we've kept with us that will serve our purposes in case the bag gets lost.
And we also like this because my husband Nate is a cheapskate, and we like to fly here from Northeast Florida, from Jacksonville. There's direct flights to LAX and San Diego for us to visit friends and family there, and we don't like to pay to check luggage. And this just fits right under the seat, so it's free. So if we're just going for a weekend, this is the perfect size bag for that. This over-the-counter pill organizer is a great thing to have on the cruise with you. You don't want to get stuck on the cruise having to go to the sundry shop or the gift store to buy some medication that may not even be your preferred brand. So this you can put labels on and put your favorite pain reliever. You need to take some something for an upset stomach. You might need to take some allergy pills and possibly some cold pills. And you can just use things that you already have around the house, put the labels on it, and you don't have to spend a bunch of money on pills that you don't really want to take.
Right, you know, because headaches don't care if you're on vacation. They just don't. So it's good to have something there. And if you can have your preferred brand and label it at $5, $5, and then you just load up the stuff you already have at home. It's a winner.
So this is a hands-free carry-on caddy. This slips right over your suitcase handle, and you could put your coffee cups in there, or your travel mugs, or your Starbucks cups, water bottles. You can also slip your cell phone in there. And the reason why I like this is because my hands are always full. I'm always trying to juggle a bunch of different stuff, and this just it's a stress relief that I don't have to carry everything.
Right, and if you're trying to get on the ship, you can have your passport, your ID in there as well, and you're just pulling your bag along, and there you go. Easy breezy. The next item that we're going to talk about are these tracking tags. Apple, of course, makes the AirTag, and there's several different ones for Android. So if you're an Android person, you can get a tag as well. These are great for putting in your luggage. You can attach them to things like keys. They run off of Bluetooth, but the way they work is they'll bounce off of multiple people's phones. So even if it's more than typical Bluetooth range away from you, you can still get a signal back to your items that are missing or possibly stolen.
Tell them about the story we read about.
There was this guy that went on a cruise, got on the cruise, first day he's on there, his bags don't show up at the door of his cruise cabin. He goes the whole 7 days without any of his stuff. He's getting off the ship, telling one of his friends the whole story, and his friend says, "Well, don't you have a tracking tag?" And he says, "I do." So he looks it up. Come to find out, his bag is in the cabin next to his. We don't know if the person took his bag away from his front door or if it was delivered to them and they just went, "Oh, free luggage, here we go." But they ended up getting his stuff back and she got arrested. So it's a good way to track your stuff, and in this day and age, a must-have.
Absolutely. So we talked about the Apple AirTag that runs $24, and this one is by Tile by Life 360. So if you have teenagers or young adults, you're probably familiar with that tracking app already. And this one actually connects to Android and to iOS. And this runs $19.99.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment to be entered into the contest.
The deadline to enter is September 30th, and we're going to be doing our drawing on October the 1st.
This next item is a fan favorite for formal night.
As you know, you can't bring an iron on board, and you can't even bring one of those steamers on board. They will confiscate that at embarkation. So this is the perfect item to release those wrinkles.
Yeah, if you've never used it and you're wondering if it works, trust us, it works. There's certain types of suit blends that it doesn't work that great on, but for anything cotton, any normal, regular wash and wear clothes that you have, this stuff is awesome. Spray it on, give it a quick little snap. Next thing you know, you're off and running.
This is $11.99. You get 2 bottles. You're not going to need both of them, and it has 47,000 reviews. It's a good product. So this next item may not pertain to everybody, but this is really good if you have allergies or if you're sensitive to dry air.
This is a portable cool mist humidifier that runs off of USB.
It's small enough to fit into your luggage, and it's not going to get confiscated at embarkation.
And if you need to add a little humidity to your room, $22 isn't going to break the bank.
So this is a reusable wine sleeve. It actually protects the bottle inside of your luggage, and it puts a watertight sealer around your wine.
Yeah, so if you've got wine stowed away in your bag and you're flying and that wine bottle decides to break, the wine's not going to get everywhere. It'll contain it.
So we do have a video coming up, so make sure you're subscribed so you get updated when it comes out. Most cruise lines allow you to take 1 to 2 bottles per person or per cabin onto the ship. So this is really nice if you don't want to buy the drink package, or if you like to have your favorite Cabernet that may not be available on the ship. This is your way to bring the wine on board. So this comes in a 4-pack, so you can pack your 2 bottles of wine and you can take the 2 empty bags. So if you're in port and you found some local wine that you want to take home, you can wrap it up in these extra bags and take them home. And this is not on this month's list, but make sure you pack a corkscrew too. Certain cruise lines will have a corkscrew waiting for you in your cabin, but many don't. And this might be really important for you fellow cheapskates, because if you bring the wine on board and you consume it inside your cabin, there's no corkage fee. If you don't take it to the restaurant with you, then they'll charge you a corkage fee there. But if you consume it in the room, you can do so for free. This is an item that our family loves. It's a waterproof phone pouch. You can put your iPhone in there, you can put your Android in there, and you seal it up and you can wear it around your neck. And we actually are able to wear our phones into the water. So when we go out into the ocean, we can wear our phones and take video and take pictures.
You're right. It's great because you don't have to risk leaving your phone on the beach and, hoping that nobody walks away with it. And also, there's some confusion about this. This actually works great for taking pictures while it's in the pouch. That clear plastic doesn't hurt anything at all. In fact, you don't even notice it's on there when you're looking back at your videos or your pictures. It's a fantastic thing, and it's dirt cheap. Protect your phone. Don't have to worry about it getting stolen.
You'll have it for cruise after cruise. I wish we could find ours, but we have it packed away somewhere, so we can't show it to you today.
I think we can safely say that this will work with pretty much any phone. It's listed as working with the biggest phones on the market. So no matter which phone you have, this should work for you. This item is only $8 and it has 110,000 reviews for a total of 4.6 stars. This next item is the very sexy topic of sunscreen. Don't leave home without it. This is a brand that we like, Sunbum. It's reef safe. It's works really well. I've never had. Have you seen me? I need sunscreen, and I've never had a problem with this. Sunbum works great. Our only advice is definitely get one that's a little higher SPF than you would normally get for just 1 day at the beach, because over 7 days, it's not going to work as well on the 7th day as it does the first. So get something a little higher SPF. We like Sunbum.
We always get the 70.
Yeah, and at just under $17, it's not a bad deal.
It smells really good, and tell them what reef safe means in case they don't know.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know until we looked it up a couple years ago.
Some sunscreens have a couple of chemicals in them that hinder the growth of the reef. Yeah, and it's made in the United States, in California. So get you some Sunbum. Come on now. Now this item was our most popular item on the last giveaway we did for last month. This one's a little different though. We picked a slightly different charger. This one comes with cords and they stow away on the back, which is pretty cool. And then you don't have to worry about trying to remember to bring a cord because this one already comes with it.
So when you're going into port, one of the first things to go is going to be your cell phone, because you're going to be snapping pictures, you're going to be FaceTiming your family. So you want to make sure that you have something that can recharge your portable devices. That's why this product is so perfect for every cruise.
Right, or you may end up in a cabin that only has one charging plug, and one person can be charging their phone while the other one's using this to charge their phone, and you're both set.
Yeah, this charges 6 products simultaneously, 6 electronics simultaneously.
Yeah, and at basically 20 bucks, you can't beat it. This was the most popular item in the last contest that we did. More people said, charger please.
Yeah, and they ordered this more than anything else off of our list, because down below in the comments, we do have links to every single product that we featured here today. So you can go directly to Amazon and read more information about each item that we featured here in the video today.
Yeah, and if you buy it through our links, they pay us like 3 cents. So that's nice.
Just a little bit.
And we want to say congratulations again to Dan from Florida, who was last month's winner. And we can't wait for you to see your name for this month's contest.
And you have 5 chances to enter. Read all the details below in the description on how to enter and win. And we're going to be using one of those random comment pickers again on October the 1st to pick a winner.
Yeah, so subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. That's how you enter to win at 5 times. Right now, we've got a video coming up that YouTube thinks you haven't seen. And hey, book a cruise. You deserve it.